head and the rest get buried. Crossing my head like a Presbyterian. Telling me dead, no say his parents. Tears get shed only if you care. Right on his head, see the red beam glaring. 212 gauges like 24 carats. Hold up, ain't that a bitch? I might bang at your bitch. If I go out, neck on my hand, now that bitch. Up on the tech and it came with that shit. I could hit you up from in the range with that bitch. Got papers on Draco, a case on Laredo. You fuck on me wrong, I'ma bake your potato. I twist his halo just like a tornado. Put out the twister like they on my ego. I bust on the quiddle, fuck on the gale. Can't find a straight hoe, but I ain't complaining. That's how my day go. I said okay ho, I been on my J.O. I'm been in J.Lo, she been in Barbados. I take her to kick her. All of this bread and she can't get a bagel. All of that said, I can't really stay though. I hop in the lamb and crank it like Fable. I'm waiting. Cop like the blunt I put out for I fell asleep. My bitch look like she Cherokee. My crib look like I'm selling keys. My dick feel like some therapy.